Hey everyone, this is Robert from Kitchen and Bar Marlin. Today this is the second day to work in the new construction for the kitchen and bedroom Marlin. So this is the progress that we have. So this is coming soon. We're working right now on the tension pond and working on the like a clean all that grass. So this is the working and the moment. So this is the detention pond that we're working. So this is the progress.